All right, we're going to start with an overview of the exercise part of the blood pressure experiment, where you're going to take an initial baseline blood pressure and heart rate for your subject while they're sitting quietly. Then you'll start a timer, and they're going to do the Harvard step test, going up and down on the step for 5 minutes. As soon as they're done with those 5 minutes, you now start a new timer, and you have them sit down, and after 1 minute post-exercise, you'll take their blood pressure and heart rate. At 2 minutes post-exercise, once again, you'll take their blood pressure and heart rate. And at 3 minutes post-exercise, once again, you'll take their exercise and heart rate. After you've got your data, you can calculate their fitness index and continue on. All right, for the Harvard step test, I'm going to be stepping up and down in a very specific rhythm for 5 minutes. It's 1/2 second per step. So 1 and 2 and I have to keep up that pace for the entire 5 minutes. So she's gonna start me off here. Tell me when to go.
Ready, set, go.
And down and up and down and up and down and up and down. I'm just gonna keep going for 5 minutes. My lab partner here is making sure that I'm not starting to slow down. If I'm going slow, she's gonna
Keep
tell
on,
me.
David. You can do it.
So, and be careful not to fall off.
4.5 more minutes. Good job. Keep going. Sacrificing your body for physiology.
Say 5 minutes so that you're done. Tell me when I'm done.
And stop.
All right, so now it's done. We start the timer now for as soon as this is done. So it's going there. Now I'm gonna get ready to get my blood pressure and pulse taken.
Well,
right.
it's okay.
So at 1 minute after the exercise is over, my lab mates are going to be taking their first reading of my blood pressure as well as my pulse rate. For the blood pressure, it's the normal auscultatory method. For pulse rate, you can just get it off of my radial artery, or carotid works as well. And you can either count for 20 seconds and multiply times 3, or 30 seconds multiplied times 2. Obviously, it's going to take at least 2 people, because one person doing the blood pressure, one person doing pulse at the same time. In the interest of social distancing right now, we can't quite demonstrate that. At 2 minutes post the exercise, we'll take another blood pressure and another pulse rate reading. At 3 minutes post exercise, we'll take our final measurement of blood pressure as well as pulse rate. And that will be the data gathering for the Harvard step test part of the experiment.